ladies and gents. It's Friday. It's just past 4:20, and I'm making dinner for the kids. Mushrooms. They're going to be stuffed with Armstrong Mexican Fiesta cheese. Then it's going to be topped with garlic plus and smoked paprika. Oh God, that smells amazing. Anyway, so the first thing you do, chops up some cheese, put it in just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, cheese. You don't want too much cheese and you don't want really greasy cheese or these turn out horrible, right? This Mexican Fiesta is got a nice flavor. Just try to just jam some cheese in each one. Little one, big one. You never know. Okay, get this done. The big ones put an extra piece in, to be totally honest, because it will spread out and it's really nice once it spreads out. Okay, now shake up your spice so you get all the spices equally mixed. People don't do that, right? And then coat it. This is going on the barbecue, by the way. Okay. Little bit of this smoked. Oh, smells amazing. These are just regular mushrooms they had on sale at No Frills here in Ontario. They were really cheap. They're big ones though. Okay. Then you put them on the barbecue. That's it. Put in the barbecue. Turn that down. Turn that up. Turn these off. Turn that up, turn that up. And leave it for about 15 minutes with the two end burners on, and leave the middle ones off so it doesn't char. I've also got a barbecue mat underneath. It's a silicone one underneath the mushrooms so they don't burn from the bottom up. About 15 minutes. Your barbecue should be about 450 degrees, and it'll cook. All right, that's what they look like when they're done cooking. And all the oil's coming out of them. Just let it sit for a few minutes. It soaks in all the grease and stuff, and they're amazing. They're absolutely amazing. Enjoy.